Bagay ba guys? Kumukha ko na ba si Miss Minchin? Charot. Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's me, Leigh, on Leigh on Style. So for today's video, it's another review. So I'm gonna review today the TIJN eyewear. So it's very different now because this is my first time to review an eyewear. So for me personally, I don't really wear eyeglasses, first of all, because I don't have prescription. I am 20/20 vision as well, which is a good thing. Once in a while, if I know I'm gonna be exposed too much under the sun, I wear sunglasses, especially when I'm driving. And sometimes if I want to look more fashionista and kikay, I wear those a little bit geeky eyeglasses sometimes, and it depends what a look I want to achieve. So anyway, so this company sent me a pair of glasses. They sent me 3 pairs of glasses that I can show it to you. This is very useful nowadays because, you know, mostly people right now are always in the computer, they're always on their devices, phone, gadgets, and everything. So we need this kind of eyewear so it protects our eyes. So the TIJN sent me 3 pairs of glasses that I can show you and give you some information regarding their products that very useful. So first I'm gonna show you this TIJN anti-fog blue lens. So ito talaga yung box niya, they just put it in another box. So this is how it looks like. Oh, it's cute. And it says Orange by TIJN. And this one is retail for $29.99 on their website, their official website. Maybe that's why they call it orange, because the box is orange. Okay, so in the box it has the lens cloth, and of course the kind of something in the description. So this is the eyeglasses. It's very cute. I wish it has like pouch, no, but it doesn't have. It's just like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. So, you know, very fashionable and very clear. So you can tell it's very high quality made. And there's the brand name over there, and it says they're anti-fog. This is combined anti-fog and blue light filter technology. So what it does is, you know, sometimes when we drink our coffee or we drink something that is warm or hot, when we wear eyeglasses, oh, it looks good. I mean, we cannot avoid to have a vapor or fog in our eyeglasses. But this one, you don't have to worry about it, because once you wear it, you can drink coffee whenever you want. Like a teacher in this one. So it's really nice, and it's not that really pricey. It's very affordable for $29.99, and it's a lifetime use if you're really careful. Not unless you break the frame or the lens, and it's very lightweight. It's comfortable. It doesn't hurt my nose. I don't have really pointed nose, so there's nothing to hold on to. But it's really nice. And this eyewear is a high quality anti-fog lens, can avoid blurred vision caused by fog in a hot or humid environment, and bring long-lasting fog-free and better visibility. Ayan, may kodigo ko. So this is certified anti-fog coated lenses are well above standard quality. So mukhang maganda ang claim nito. But anyway, you never know how useful it is or how effective it is until you try and wear it yourself. So I hope you will try this, guys. This is very affordable and good looking. Oh, ganda. Oh yeah. So let's go to the next eyewear. Okay, let's go ahead with this one. So this is the other eyewear. Of course, it has the brand name, and then when you open it, they have their Instagram at TIJN Eyewear. So you can find them at Instagram as well. If you have any question, you can message them directly, of course. I'm pretty sure that. So it has like card like this, and so it has this description. And the case of the eyewear comes like this, and it has also lens cloth. So the case is very nice. I think it's made of leather. I just don't know if it's a genuine leather or a synthetic, but it's very soft. And I like the fact that it's not bulky. The case is not bulky, so it fits your purse or bag nicely. And it's just a snap-on like that. So it's very easy to get your eyewear. And that's the eyewear. Oh, it's so cute. So this eyewear, they call it Federica. It's a blue light. It has a blue light filter. And I like the fact that these eyewear, the lens doesn't have like a blue reflection color, because usually when you buy those blue anti-blurry glasses, the lens always, because I have one, because I use at night when I go to my Facebook, Instagram. Sometimes I play games until I get sleepy, so I use one of this kind of glasses, but I just get the cheap one. I got it at Amazon, so it's not really like, doesn't have like kind of brand name. When I wear it, you can tell the lens are kind of blue, but this one, it's very fashionable. It's kind of like everyday eyeglass use, but I don't have any prescription, so this is no prescription. Of course, they ask me if I have prescription, and if you do have prescription, you can send them your prescription, and they will make exactly what your prescription is, so it will fit your vision perfectly. It retails for $90. This is a little bit pricey because it made by really high quality material, and the color is striped sassafras, so I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. And it also comes with turquoise color, black, and whiskey turquoise, yeah, color. And I like the fact that it has a nose support like this. When I wear eyeglasses, I like the one with the nose support as much as possible, because it's easily fit my face. But kasi pag walang ganito, sometimes when you wear it, it's kind of push your cheek to, parang dumidikit talaga siya. Eh, ayoko ng ganun. Because you can have those marks, and I don't like it. That's why, as you can see, this one, when I wear it, you see how it touched my face here? I don't like that, you know, because I don't have a nice pointed nose. So, parang lumulubog siya. Ganon ang disadvantage ng hindi masyadong katangusan ng ilong, ganyan. So, but anyway, it's really nice naman. Medyo pag inangat ko siyang gano'n, hindi na masyado. But if I use it like a little bit lower on my nose, it hits my cheeks. But I like the looks. Ang ganda. Okay, let's go back to this one. So the lenses is polycarbonated, and you can check the measurement, like wide-wise and the width. You can check it on the website. It's very light and comfortable. You know, definitely you will love this. Maganda. Hindi siya masagwa. It's not baduy. So, I like it. Cute na. Kahit nakaganyan. Arte-arte lang. Ayan. So it's nice. You can check this out, guys, because this is really good, and it's kind of eyeglasses. It's not just like for fashion, because this is very useful and helpful for protecting your eyes, my eyes, our eyes, you know, all our eyes. So ayan. So let's go to the other pair. So guys, this one is the next one. So the box is the same. When you open it, of course, whatever you see on the other one, it has also, you know, the card and the description. I think this is kind of like your info and the item description. So of course, the case of the eyewear and the lens cloth. Ang ganda. Parang pati yung box, ayoko siyang itapon kasi maganda yung box. Quality made. It's not like cheap boxes, you know. So anyway, of course, it has a stamp, TIJN brand. Oh my god, I love this one. Ang ganda nito. Parang ito yung mga uso ngayon, like in, oh my god, I think I'm gonna wear this more often. I can wear this for every day. Even though I haven't fit it yet on my eyes, I think I'm gonna love it. I'm pretty sure, 100%. Okay, so this one, they call this the OOKAMI. This is the rose gold color. And it comes also with black, gold, and whiskey color. It's very nice. Oh my god, look. Also made from high quality metal material, and it's bendable. I like this because you don't have to worry to break. I think even though you bend it a little bit, you can straighten it out back. This is really nice, high quality, and this retail for $65. So the other one is much, compared to the Federica, that is much a little bit pricey because the frame is thick. But this one is simple metal, but it's very high quality. This is made by luscious metallic color that can brighten your look. So let's try it. Oh my god, I look so parang ang bait ko naman dito. I look so kind here. Charot. Ayan, ang ganda. Oh my god, I love this. And I like how it looks on my face because I have a big face, like, and it's just perfectly fit to me. Ayan. It's extremely lightweight and comfortable. Oh my god, see? Oh my god, very lightweight. I don't know. Parang wala siyang bigat at all. You cannot feel any weight. Very, very lightweight. Like they said, extremely lightweight. It's true. So again, the lenses are polycarbonated and the material is metal. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. This is really nice. So for all you guys out there that love to wear eyeglasses and you want to help not damaging your eyes from extremely 100% UV rays, this is a good one for you. You can check the website if you want to get blue light blocking lenses. You can try this TIJN Eyewear. I will have their link down below and the description on my description box, and of course other information regarding these 3 eyewear that I wear. I will put also the description down below. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and of course thank you TIJN for sending me this eyewear. I really love it. This is really nice. I can protect my eyes from eye fatigue because sometimes I feel my eyes is very, very tired from looking all the time on the screen of the computer at the same time on my phone. So this one, it will help a lot. Eyes is very important, so we need to protect it from damage. Ayan. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet, and of course kindly hit the notification bell so you will get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye.